Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am gonna show you how to convert your old faded jeans into a bow bag, which you can use in many ways. First, you can use it as a crossbody laptop bag, and also I will tell you the rest of the ways in the end of the video, so watch the video till the end. First of all, take your laptop, then measure it. So my laptop length is 9 inch, take 1 inch extra, and its width is 12.5, so take half inch extra. The bottom part of my jeans is left, so I will make a bag from that only. Cut it from one side and just place it like this. Now we'll mark the measurement. We will make the length, which is 10 inch. We have to leave 1/4 inch for seam allowance. Now mark the width, which is 13 inch. So we have to cut the front for bag. Same, we have to put this on the top of the other fabric and cut it out. We'll give a little bit curve in the four corners and cut it out. In the front, we'll make a bow. For that, I have taken the bottom part of other jeans. For that, we'll take 6 inch length and 13 inch width. Then we have to cut it. Now just hem the edges on both the sides. So we'll keep this piece in the middle. Now we have to make long stitch in the middle and pull it. Now cut out one rectangular piece of 1 inch in width and 3 inch in length. Here I am doing fray on both its edges. On both sides you have to stitch at 1/4 inch. We'll attach the pocket and bag. For pocket we take 6 inch length and the width will remain the same. Now just hem the edges. We have to stitch on both sides and also do the straight stitch in the middle. Now we'll make side gusset of the bag. For that we'll first measure the zipper. So here the zipper length is 23 inch and total 45 inch we need. So for that we'll cut 22 inch from the remaining fabric. So here we'll take 1.5 inch width and 22 inch length and have to cut it. For handle attachment, we cut out two rectangular pieces of 1.5 inch in width and 2.5 inch in length. Then fold the edges in 1/4 inch on both the sides and iron it or stitch it. Now follow the instructions. Leave 1/4 inch, we have to stitch the hole. So it's done. Now we'll also attach the back part on it. For that, back part has to be kept upside down. Similarly, we have to stitch at 1/4 inch all over. Keep this in mind, we have to leave a little bit zip open so that we have straighten it later. We'll use binding to hide these rough edges. For that, I have taken cotton fabric. We need two straps of 45 inch length. So for that, I have taken 1 inch in width. Then for binding, fold the edges in 1/4 inch on both sides and iron on it to get the crease line. Now pin it and do the straight stitch over it. You have to do the same thing on both the sides. So you can see our binding is done. For shoulder strap, I have taken 49-inch length. It's a detachable strap, so if you have any chain or strap, you can also replace it. You can also use it as a side bag and put books and box in it. You can also use it as a handbag by shortening the length of the chain. You can also use as a clutch bag by removing the handles. I hope you liked my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.